I'm back and you are back on my channel. Today's video is going to be the start of a new series here on my channel, but the actual idea is not new anymore because there are lots of videos already about this topic. But yes, I just want to create something like this here on my channel because I really want to focus on fashion videos in this channel, and I mentioned that on my previous videos, and this episode or this series might be the step one of fulfilling that goal of making this channel a fashion channel. Yeah, so for today's video guys, we will be doing some thrift flipping, upcycle, or turning your clothes into a trendy one. And my first two episodes under this series won't require you to have your own sewing machine because lahat to is hand sewn only, and wala talaga akong sewing machine, but I ordered one from Shopee already, pero feeling ko matagal pa siyang darating, and today is May 2. I ordered that yesterday because mali yung na-deliver sa akin the other time. So yeah, hopefully sa third episode ng ating thrift flipping, I will be having my own sewing machine already to be able to create more dynamic pieces for this series. Alright guys, we will be starting off this series with this very boring front tie knot polo that my tita gave me way back. So I thought I can use this one as a beach cover up, but I realized that I am not a big fan of the style plus of the print. I'm not really into orange and green combination, but sayang yung fabric, sayang naman kung itatapon ko siya kasi ang dami ko na rin damit na gustong itapon. So super sayang. So I realized now, why not turn it into something useful or turn it into something that is wearable. So guys, if you want to know how I turned this into this, just please keep on watching.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling.
Start by laying your fabric flat on the ground, and I recommend to iron it first to ensure that it's not crumpled to achieve a perfect cut. Once you're done ironing the fabric, lay it flat on the ground and get your favorite fitting crop top. In my case, I am using the top of my dress as my pattern. If you have an existing pattern, you may use it as well. I am retaining the 3 buttons in front because I think it adds detail. Using a ruler and a pen, because I do not have any fabric chalk, I am measuring at least 1 1/2 to 2 inches on both sides, top and bottom of my pattern for my hem allowance. I am marking the measurements using my pen, and once you're okay with it, you may proceed to cutting your fabric. Once you're done cutting, turn your fabric upside down and pin both sides. This is to ensure that once you start sewing, it won't be moved. I mark a straight line before sewing to ensure that I will be doing a straight stitch. I just used backstitch to close both sides. After both sides of the fabric, I am now focusing on the top and bottom hem. To be honest, I don't know how to do a hem stitch, so I had to Google it. Hem or slip stitch is easy to do. You just need to fold your fabric allowance twice and pin it. Begin by hiding the thread knot on the first fold, then grab a thread or two from the base fabric and pull it. Do the same for the top hem. Once you're done closing and hemming the ends of the fabric, you may now cut the excess fabric from all sides. Now that we are done with the base, let's move on to the straps. I am using the fabric from the sleeves of the polo and I cut it in half. For a perfect measurement, use a tape measure to check your desired length. I am ironing out the straps to make the folds stay in place. Feel free to adjust the thickness of it, but I am keeping it to at least an inch. Then, I am pinning it again and cutting the excess fabric. Don't forget to turn it inside out first before pinning. To close, do another backstitch. Once done closing the straps, turn it inside out again and start attaching to the base fabric. And we're done! This is now the final look. And basically guys, that's just it for today's video and I hope you learned something new here. And yeah, if you want to start thrift flipping, just do it now. Pwede na yan with karayom and with your sinulit or any basic sewing kit that you have at home. So thank you so much guys for watching and I will see you on the next episode of my thrift flipping. Bye!